Go over and watch this video. Watch the count. I shouldn't say count down. Watch the count up. Watch her numbers go up, up, up until she reaches 1,000. Oh my gosh, it's an exciting video to remind us it's possible. Just keep working in there, my friends. You'll make it if you haven't. Well, here is my awesome friend, Creative Thinking. Oh my gosh. Look, look, look. With all of us chipping in and helping, she made 1,000 followers. Isn't that wonderful? I am so excited and so happy. Congratulations, my dear friend. Oh my, look. That's what happens when all of us get together and work together. You go over there and watch that video she put up today. And look, she got 342 views. Oh my, isn't that wonderful? I'm so excited. It's possible. All you got to do is keep working at it. And let's go see what Grandma did today on her channel. Let's see how much Grandma has saved up for her dental work this year. That's the whole point of this channel, to teach us to start saving a little at a time. And if we stay in there and keep working at it, we will accomplish what we wanted to do.
I love all of my awesome friends, and you guys are always there for me every step of the way. And I'm so glad that you helped my awesome friend reach 1,000 followers. It isn't easy making 1,000 followers. For all of you that went over and checked her channel, a big shout out and a big thank you from me to you. And I want you to know that it meant a lot to her and it meant a lot to me. To have so many wonderful friends like you go over and help build her channel. That's what we're here for, to help build each other's channels the best we can. And she's helped me a lot to get focused on saving. And now I want to share with you what I have managed to save so far in a little over 6 months. I am saving, or trying to save, $100 every single week for my dental work. If I'm able to do it, it will be $5,200 by the end of December. Now, I don't know if I'm going to make it or not, but I know I'm going to get close because I've already gotten close. I've already saved up over $2,000, $2,664.34. Now, to some of you, that may not seem like a lot of money. And to other of you, it might seem like a lot of money. But take it from me, I've just gotten in the habit of every week when I get paid, I pay myself first. Because I have a goal I have set to try to get one tooth fixed every single year. Last year, I spent $5,000 on dental work. Now, I know it may not look like I spent that much because I still have a lot of empty holes in my mouth, but I did. And I have a lot more to save, and it probably will be my rest of my working career. But we don't want to get depressed. We want to just stay focused on saving. And we do the best we can, what we can do. Please, please try not to go in debt. These are very bad times right now. We don't know where things are heading, so it's important that we try to save our money and try to pay cash for big ticket items. And I'm doing that for my dental work. And also I am saving, hopefully every month, $140 for a vacation. And we'll see how much I get saved by the end of this calendar year. But it doesn't really matter how much I save. The whole idea is I'm trying to get some money saved. I'm making a commitment to myself. That's what's the important part. So try to make some kind of commitment even if it's only $5 a week. Make that commitment and start saving. Now, another thing I do besides saving what you see, and I've never mentioned this before, but I thought I might do it today. Now, I've been doing this for probably 25, 30 years, maybe longer, I don't know. When it gets Christmas time, I never go in debt. I never charge anything. And how do I do that with a large family like I do? Every month I pay $5, $10, $20 more in every utility that I have. And when I get to December, I don't pay one utility. The money that I would pay for my utilities, I spend it on Christmas. That's how I pay for my Christmas every year. So when I get done with Christmas, I don't have any credit card bills coming. I don't have anyone threatening me, why haven't you paid your bills? Because I only deal with cash. I don't deal with credit cards. I deal with cash only. And I've been doing it on Christmas 25, 30 years. Now, I do want to say that I paid all of my debts off about 15 years ago. And to make sure I kept it paid off, I have not had a credit card that I have used for a continuous basis. I may have gotten a credit card for a vacation, because sometimes you have to have a credit card to rent a car or do something. When I'm done with whatever I'm doing, I usually cut the credit card up. I make sure it's totally 100% paid. I have no willpower when it comes to credit cards. And if you know you don't have willpower, and you know you have a problem with shopping and spending, you may not want to getting very many credit cards in your lifetime. And I definitely have a problem with shopping. I'm sure you've all seen my videos, and you've all seen how much I love to shop. Imagine if I had a credit card, I could really go crazy. But when I can't spend anymore because I don't have any more cash, I stop spending. I allow myself so much for my YouTube channel. I have not went one penny in debt in the 8 years I've been doing it. It's possible to do it, and if I can do it, you can do it. And keep in mind, if I don't have the cash to join in on a challenge and I don't have the money to buy what I need, I just don't do the challenge. It's not a problem. Keep yourself out of debt. It's very important to be debt-free. And I just wanted to tell you how much I love you all, and all of you that come by and check this post out every month. To know I'm still staying true to myself and to you about trying to save. I show you how much is in that bank account. And this money will all get moved over to where all my savings go for my dental at the first of next year, and all my money that I've saved for my vacations will go into my vacation account. Don't get me wrong, I do take money out to take care of dental work and a vacation, and sometimes I have to take some out for emergency that comes up. But most of the time, it's spent for dental, and most of the time it is spent for vacation. Well, just wanted to let you know there's lots of ways to save, and we all have different ways. Now, you don't have to save like I did, and it wasn't easy paying all my debt off, but I paid it off 15 years ago, and it is possible even with a small income. Just giving you encouragement that yes, you can do it. Well, hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and to all of you. And I want you to know that we'll talk about how I paid off all my debt in 3 years next week. And it really wasn't something hard to do. I'm amazed I couldn't do it earlier. But when your back is to the wall, you have to make decisions. And when you make those decisions, you can do it. Just like now, I'm saving consistently, paying myself first for dental work and for vacations. Now keep in mind, I've always saved money for vacations, but now I'm sharing it with you. See you in the next video, my dear friends.